In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request an IKEA catalog online for 2025 with a step-by-step guide. If you're excited to explore IKEA's latest offerings from the comfort of your home, you're in the right place. Let's get started and make sure you don't miss out on any of those stylish furniture designs or home essentials. To begin, we want to navigate to the IKEA website. It's crucial to select your specific country or region as IKEA has different offerings and catalogs available depending on your location. So first thing, when you're on the IKEA homepage, glance around the upper part of the screen where you usually find the option to change country or region. This ensures you're viewing the correct site tailored to your area, whether that's IKEA USA, IKEA Philippines, or any other branch globally. This step is essential because the catalog availability and products can differ quite a bit. Once you're on the correct regional site, take a look around to get familiar with the layout. You'll notice a lot of product pictures catching your eye right away. IKEA excels at showcasing their products visually, which is fantastic for getting a feel of what might end up in your space. But remember, if it's more detailed information you're after, they offer a way to dive deeper into those products. Now let's talk about accessing a more detailed look. Many items feature downloadable PDFs that offer additional insights. To find these, you'll need to spot the More option on the web page. Click on this, and it should lead you to a section rich with additional resources that provide a deeper dive into IKEA's product offerings and latest designs, all neatly arranged for you. Moving on, our next step involves exploring the buying guides. Here, you'll find detailed guides that might include downloadable product PDFs. Accessing these guides is simple. From where you found the More section, look for the buying guides and click on that. This is where IKEA lays out comprehensive information on their products, which could be really beneficial, particularly if you are making major purchasing decisions or designing a new space. Finally, to hone in on specific products, utilize the search bar, enter the products you're interested in, and once you've found the product, check if a PDF file is available for download. These files can be immensely helpful, as they often contain information not immediately visible on the main product page, giving you a much better understanding of dimensions, materials, and more intricate details. And there you have it, our straightforward guide to requesting and navigating IKEA's online catalog for 2025. I hope this helps you in your journey to create beautiful spaces at home. Happy browsing, and enjoy piecing together your perfect IKEA collection.